It's getting to be that time of year again when we get a jump start on holiday shopping and, more importantly, on holiday bargains. And WestPoint Home wants to thank you with a 50% off holiday savings sale on everything in the store for the rest of the year. That's right, 5 full weeks from Monday, December 1st, 2025 through Sunday, January 4th, 2026, with 50% off absolutely everything in the store. Get name brand designs at a fraction of the cost at the big box stores, with a whopping 50% off everything in the store. Luxurious absorbent towels, silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. Start your holiday gift shopping or give your home a holiday makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed & Bath Factory Outlet biggest holiday savings sale from Monday, December 1st, 2025 through Sunday, January 4th, 2026. Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120, and let the WestPoint Home Holiday Savings Sale begin.